Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. As you can see, started this. Okay. I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be another slime video. So I have 3 slimes to show you. My first slime is called. I'm not gonna show you them yet, but I'm gonna tell you when we get back into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you them, but also make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment in the comments what your favorite slime is, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell and subscribe, and yeah, but make sure you also check out my other videos. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Nala. And yeah, go check out the other videos if you haven't. Go check out my other sister, her videos, Maya's World, and also my best friend, her videos. I will do her videos in the comment. I'll tell you her name in the comments. And also make sure you also check out my little sister, her videos that she will be uploading soon. And it's going to be all about her and everything, but let's get to the real subject. Okay, so the first slime is a Halloween slime. Right. It's a Halloween slime, as you can see. So let's get that out. This is a nice one. It has foam beads in it. But also make sure you go check out the other video that I will be having my best friend Ryla in. So, this is a very small slime because I didn't really like to make that much because I didn't know there was something under the chairs. So. Okay, so that was my first slime. It has white and yellowish green foam beads in them, I meant. And yeah, it's a blackish slime, I guess. I don't really know. And it's stretchy, and the foam beads do come out sometimes, but it don't matter. All you have to do is just be like that. It can do anything. So that was my first slime. Let's get to the second slime. Okay, my second slime is a green guacamole slime. I call it guacamole because it looks exactly like guacamole. Sorry. It's like all about guacamole slime. As you can see, this is. It's a little sticky. But it's okay. I'm gonna set that down. I have napkins also in my bucket here. I keep all my swim supplies in. Okay, I'm gonna just stop right there. Stop it right there. I don't gotta come all the way out. So this is it. It is so fun to play with. This has yellow foam beads in it. Yellow foam balls in it. Or foam beads, whatever you want to call it. It is green. It is like a fluffy slime, and it has clay in it. And also check out my other video that I will be making. It is a try not to laugh video, mom jokes. So go check out that. That's gonna be so much fun. So this is my second slime. It's so fun to play with. This is like a couple of days old. This is about like 5 days old. 5 days old, yeah, 5 days old. And then 2 days old. And ooh, it almost spilled. And then this other one is that I'm gonna be showing you is 5 days old too. 5 days old too. So that was my third slime. So let me just And I'll get back to you when I can get my third slime ready and get my hands wiped off. My third slime. Okay. It's all over the lid. Sorry about the background. We're eating pancakes for dinner.
Stop eating mommy's cans and eggs.
Oh, I did not mean to move that into the camera.
You're eating?
Okay, Aisha. Who, me?
Yeah.
Eating?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm eating a pancake.
We can eat? Yeah.
Whoa, did y'all see that? It can make bubbles. This is a black foam, the third foam slime. I don't know why, I just love foam. Sorry. I love foam. Sorry about the background. That's my sister, my little one. Say hi to the vlog. And then over here, it's my big sister. Oops, sorry about the light.
Okay, I'm ready.
But that is my other sister.
Okay.
So this is my third slime.
Yours?
Okay. That's yours, though.
I'm ready.
So yeah. But this is the slime. It's black
It's done
with
good. I
foam
can't
beads
stop
in it.
eating it. But after you go,
This thing keeps on falling the vlogging camera. Sorry.
huh?
Good. You want one more?
Ooh, pancakes.
No.
So got slime everywhere. So this is my third slime. But turn on the notification bell and everything, even though I said that before. But if you can, pause the video if you have to. But if you don't, if you can go fast, do this in 5 seconds. Give this video a big thumbs up in 5 seconds. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And comment, subscribe, and comment. Turn on the notification.
And comment down below.
But that is this end video. Thank you guys for watching. And bye. Wait. No, not done. Go check out my friend Bryla. Hers, I will link her stuff in the comments. So, but try to get this on my hands. Bye.